Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Can you recognize this flower? Yes, this is no other than the plumeria. Plumeria is also known as temple tree, champa and Fungipani. This plant is popular for its beauty, spirituality and culture. And this flower is also known for its mesmerizing and fragrant flowers. This plant can be easily propagated from cutting. Like as you can see here, my mom got a cutting of this plumeria plant. Now we simply have to plant it into some soil and add some water. Then we must keep it in a semi-shaded area for around 15 to 1 month. Like this, all the plumeria plants in our garden are planted from cuttings. Plumeria plant actually prefers warm climate. So after this plant has grown, make sure to keep it in a warm temperature as it cannot tolerate the cold. Winter season has just passed. That's why the plant's condition is really bad. Okay, now let me tell you how you can take care of this plant so you'll get many flowers. Make sure to dig your plants time to time. This is because it helps your plants to do aeration. Right now she's checking if the plant has any root bound. After checking, she noticed that there was no root bound. That's why no repotting is necessary. After loosening up the soil of the plants, my mom is now going to apply some manure. As you know, digging before giving any kind of fertilizer or manure helps the plant absorb the fertilizer or manure. And the manure that my mom is going to give is completely homemade and free of cost. If you are interested in making some homemade manure, then make sure to check our playlist. There are many videos on this. While digging the plants, my mom is also removing all the weeds from the plant. This is because the weeds could absorb all the nutrition and the plant's health will deteriorate. First manure that my mom is giving is nothing else than kitchen waste compost. And for more flowering, she is also going to give some potassium-rich fertilizer. And for root development, she is going to give some calcium-rich fertilizer. And to get the calcium and the potassium, we need eggshells and dried banana peels. And just make sure to keep it in sunlight for 6 to 8 hours. Because the more you keep this plant in sunlight, the more flowerings this plant will get. Also make sure to thoroughly water your plants, but do not overwater. And all kinds of soil adapt well with this plant. But well-draining soil is the best soil. Sandy soil will also work well. Also, this plant gets no insect attacks. But you can still spray Bioenzymes sometimes. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.